Jumripsu and hello, welcome to our Healthy Khmer Cooking.
What kind of dessert are we going to make today?
For today, we are going to make the creamy cassava dessert.
What are ingredients?
The ingredient we have salt, coconut cream, grated coconut, sesame seed, green onion, cassava, and palm sugar. So I need to tell you something about our ingredient. Like cassava, we already cook it. We boiling with water. And for green onions, if you like Khmer people don't want to put it in the dessert. Yeah, but for me, I want to show you about the Europeans, and they like green onion so much. And every dessert that they make, they always put green onion because it a little bit good smelling, and yeah, it's yummy.
What do we do first?
First, we need to heat the coconut cream. So first we need to turn on the fire and put the coconut cream.
Put on.
Yes, we put on. And we also put a little bit of salt and we stir it. Stir it until the salt dissolve in the coconut cream. And then can you pass me the palm sugar? And can you put it? Thank you. And stir until the palm sugar dissolve with the coconut cream. So now coconut cream is boiling. So then we put the grated coconut and cassava in all together at the same time. Can you put it? Yeah, good. And cassava, put it all. Yes, be careful. Yeah, I hold it for you. Be careful. And we keep stirring it to make sure that the cassava and the coconut cream is mixed together. Make it well.
Wow, smells delicious.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, I think so. I think it is delicious. So now this dessert is cooked. We need to turn off the fire. Now, time to serve. Can you pass me the bowl?
Yeah.
Can you hold it for me? Yes. The last ingredient we have is sesame seed and green onion. So we put the sesame seed as much as you want. Yes, enough. And then next, any style that you want to make it. Yes, good enough. So now our food is already done. I hope you can make it at home because it is healthy. I thank you that you enjoy my videos. Yes. Goodbye and ជម្រាបលា